Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to pass the G1 test in Ontario, Canada together. It's now 8 a.m. and we're heading to the DriveTest Center. We go inside and submit our documents, either a work permit, permanent resident card, or passport. Then we take a ticket to join the line and wait for our turn. As soon as our number shows up on the screen, we go to the counter, present our documents again, make the payment, take the eye exam, and receive a desk number where we'll take the written test. Now we head to the exam room. Our desk is number 12. On the computer, you'll see your name and the language is selected, English and your native language. We begin the test. First, 20 questions about road signs, then 20 general rules question. You'll immediately see whether you passed or not. Be careful. Don't confuse 0.08% with 0.8%. If the translation in your native language is bad, switch to English and double check. There's no time limit. You can make up to 4 mistakes out of 40 questions. After the test, they will call your name and congratulate you. You've officially passed. You'll receive your license by mail within 2 weeks. Remember, you're amazing. You can do it. I believe in you. And you can practice right here.